Very warm welcome, my dears. So we are starting our day 2 morning session of our operational management. So we will continue the session. So what all the topic we were discussed in the last classes? Last classes we were discussed the selection of machine, replacement of machine. Then we have discussed scheduling of machine, sequence of machine. Then we were also discussed the costing related problem, productivity problem, capacity decision, simulation. So today we are moving into another areas in the operational research part, that is LPP, then networking, assignment and transportation. See, our online area, there are lesser chances of coming in this area because in your online exam, draw the network and all, they cannot ask. There are some limitation in online exam from certain area, but we will approach all the concept. Okay, so hope you are ready. We are also ready. We can start the session. So already we were covered a sequencing concept and simulation concept. We have already shared you the Excel sheet also. So now we gonna discuss a concept called assignment. We gonna discuss a concept called assignment. Hope you are ready. See, assignment, if at all they're gonna test, they will give the data, the final answer only they will gonna test us. So now working and all required. So what is assignment, my dear friends? You all know in this rapid revision I will give a highlight and we will do problem also for our conference purpose. So this assignment means what? See, there are multiple jobs are there, multiple person are there. So you may have either two objectives. One may be cost minimization, another may be profit maximization. One may be cost minimization, or another may be profit maximization. So first we will discuss how it will be for cost minimization. How it will be for cost minimization. See, for any assignment problem, we are sharing you first one thing. You have to ensure that rows and column must be equal. You should ensure that rows and column must be equal. If rows and columns are not equal, that is called not balanced problem. So point number one, we have to check rows and columns are equal or not. If rows and columns are not equal, we have to make it by equal by adding required dummy column or row as the case may be. So by adding dummy row or dummy column, we have to make it to consider. Are you clear? So we have to ensure that dummy row and dummy column as a whichever is required, we have to add. Point number two. What is the point number two? The first step is what? If it is cost minimization, raw operation and column operation. What is raw operation and column operation? Raw is the best option we are identifying by reducing the lower number from corresponding number in the row. Same step, column operation. So after raw operation, column operation, we will go for optimality test. So what we will do now, while doing problem itself, we will discuss the concept revision. While doing problem itself, we will discuss the concept revision so that it will be benefit for all of you. So I know you are ready. Shall we start? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. So now we will make it question number 9. We will start with question number 9. So what is this question number 9? To stimulate the interest and provide an atmosphere for intellectual discussion. The finance faculty in management school decided to hold special seminar on 4 contemporary topics: leasing, portfolio, private mutual fund, swaps and options. Such seminars should be held once per week in the alternative afternoon. However, scheduling of this seminar has to be done carefully that number of students attend be kept to minimum. So the question here it is, we have to make an objective of to minimization. The case study of the details is given. What is a Monday? Now the first step we have to ensure that whether rows and columns are equal or not. Whether rows and columns are equal or not. Look here, you have 5 rows are there, but you have only what? 4 columns. So rows and column not equal. Rows and column not equal. What we have to do? We have to add a dummy. So where we will add dummy? See, we have lesser in the column. So we have to add the column. So I know you are ready. We can start. So how we will start? We will have the item first. One second, just loading corrections are there. Just leasing, portfolio management, private mutual fund, swaps and option, and one more thing, none other than dummy. And in this row, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So what we have to give? 50, 40, 60. So I am just writing the numbers really, my dears. 40. 60, 40, 30. $20, $30, $20. $30. My dears, the value of dummy, nothing specifically mentioned. We will take it as 0. So value of dummy, we will make it as 0. Now, what is the first situation what we have to do? See, we have already told, first we have to do raw operation. See, in this situation, there is already a dummy added. If the dummy added in the column, no need of doing the raw operation. Look here, every row, the least number is 0. What is raw operation? The raw operation is what? Raw is least number we have to reduce. So here already there is a 0. We don't want to do raw operation. We want to do directly what? Column operation. So what is column operation? Column operation is what? Column is least number we have to reduce from all the other numbers. So the first column, the least number is 10. That has to be reduced from all the other items. So 50 minus 10, we will get 40. 40 minus 10, we will get 30. 60 minus 10, we will get 50. 30 minus 10, we will get 20. 10 minus 10, we will get 0. Now, let us tell me, what about next? Next to the least is 20. Next to the least is 20. So what we will do? 40 minus 20, we will get 20. 30 minus 20, we will get 10. 20 minus 20, we will get 0. 30 minus 20, we will get 10. 20 minus 20, we will get 0. Now we have to go for next step. What is the next lower number? We have 10. This 10 we have to adjust. So 50 minus, for 60 minus 10, we will have what? 50. 60 minus 10, we will have what? 30. 30 minus 10, we will have 20. 20 minus 10, we will have 10. 10 minus 10, we will have 0. Now what is next? We will have lower number is 20. So what we have to make? 0, 10, 0, 10, 10. Now going further, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have done the column operation. Now here onwards, optimality testing. Everyone listen. What is optimality testing? Optimality test means we have to cover all the 0 with a minimum number of either horizontal or vertical line. So all the zeros. See, if you look here, we have to go little strategy. One single line we have crossed all the 0. Now remaining also we have to cross like this. Here also one line we have crossed. So the criteria here it is what? It can be either horizontal or vertical, but you have to cross with minimum line. You have to cross with minimum line. So how we can fulfill this? Where you find more 0, that you cross first. That is the only thing we have to make. Here we made it. Now we have made 3 rows or column, 3 lane. Now we have one more 0 is there. This 0 either we can do horizontally or we can do vertically. Both are correct. As per your wish, you can do either horizontally or vertically. I just do here like this. Now this is over. Now you have to check optimality reached or not. See how many rows and column we have. We have rows and column, we have 5. How many rows and column we have? 5. But how many rows and line are there? Only 4. If optimality need to be reached, your minimum line should be equal to 5. That means here we have 4 only. Here we have 5. Optimality is not reached. We have to go for what? Improved matrix. We have to go for what? Improved matrix. See, some friends, what they will think of it now. Some friends will think of like this. Sir, look here, sir. Okay, tell me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, I've taken 5 line. Rows and columns are 5. Sir, is this optimality reached? For them, my answer is no. Because, see, you have to cross with not all. You have to cross with minimum line. Here, how many line we took? 5 line. The objective is what? We have to cross with minimum line. Minimum line means if the minimum is 4, then we have to get 4 only. There you will get wrong. So this is the one area where you may have wrong. So what you have to not be very clear while allocating. So you have to cross maximum zeros so that you can able to get the minimum line. Generally, what you do that will be correct only. But just for clarity, I am telling. See, look here. All the 0 we cross with the 4 line. So if all the 0 can be crossed with the 4 line, if you are crossing in 5 lane, you are out of the game. You are out. Are you clear? If all the zeros can be crossed with 4 lane, if you are crossing 5 lane, you are out of the game. So be very attentive in the session. So improved matrix. So improved matrix, what is the role? See, improved matrix is very easy role. See, we have here number are there. So the least number is uncovered. Uncovered means there is no lane going. Uncovered means there is no lane going. That is 40, 20, 50, 30, 10. This is what uncovered. In that least number is what? If you look here, 10 is the least number. So this 10 we have to reduce from the uncovered. The 10 we have to reduce from the uncovered. Intersection we have to add. What's that? Intersection we have to add. Intersection means this two lane join here, two lane join here, two lane join here, two lane join here. So intersection we have to add. So what come? Uncovered that we have to reduce. Intersection we have to add. Other area as it is. What is other area? Only lane going. Intersection means two lane meets. Two lane meets we have to add. Uncovered area we have to less. Other area as it is. Are you ready? I am here ready for you. We can start. 40 minus 10. These are all uncovered. You have to less. So 40 minus 10 you will get 30. 20 minus 10 you will get 10. 50 minus 10 you will get 40. This is otherwise. No intersection. So as it is. Here 30 minus 10, 20. 10 minus 10, 0. 30 minus 10, 20. Here as it is. Now we have 50. That is line. So as it is. Now look here. There is a 0 where two lane is. Intersection point means what? Two lane means. So here it is two lane means. So we have to add 10. Here also we have to add 10. Now we have 20, we have 10, 0, 0, 10, 0. Now we have 0, 0, 0. This 10 we have what? Intersection. So intersection what we have to do? We have to add. So we will have 20, we will have 10. Now this number we have to allocate. This number we have to allocate. So how we will allocate? I know you are ready. We will start. We have to cross with minimum lane. We have to cross with minimum lane. So we will do it. Here we have 4. So here we have what? 2. Here we have 2. So we have 2 I call 2 are rest. So if 2 are rest, what we have to do? We can cross however it is. Now if you look, we have took 5 lane. Now if you make, we have took 5 lane. So what we did for improved matrix? Improved matrix, very easy step. First thing it is what? We have to identify. We have to identify. We have to identify least uncovered number. Least uncovered number. So what is the least uncovered number? Uncovered means this red color is not there. Uncovered is what? Red color is not there. So red color is not there. Least number is 10. So that number, so that 10, deduct from uncovered. Deduct from uncovered. And add in intersection. Add in intersection. Intersection means two lane meets. When two lane meets, that we call intersection. And rest area same as it is. Rest same as it is. Simple. So we have the lower number is good 10. So 10 we have taken all that. So I hope I have taken the correct calculation. If any calculation correction 50 is correct. So we will move further. So now what we will move for? Very, very important. Listen. See, we will provide you the recorded session also. So those friends who are studying first time, you don't want to worry. I am going very slow only, but still if you want clarity, you can watch it. So my dear friends, now what will happen now? Here our rows and columns are what? See why we brought improved matrix? The improved matrix we made because earlier case we have only 4 rows, 4 lane. Earlier case we have 4 lane. So we come into improved matrix. Now you look in the question. If you look that you have 5 lane. So if you have 5 lane reach, that is a minimum lane. Your rows and column also 5 lane. Your rows and column also 5 lane. In such a case, it is called optimality reached. In such a case, optimality reach. So what is optimality reach? Optimality reach means your rows and columns are equal to your allocated lane. So now we have to go for allocation. The last step what we gonna do is what? Allocation. So what is meant by allocation? Very simple. That is what allocation. I have here ready for you. I know you are also ready. So how the allocation will come? See, allocation, there is a small principle. Just listen. Allocation, there is a small principle. So what is the principle? Raw ways, single zero, only we will allocate. First one, it is what? First one, raw ways, single zero preference. Suppose if raw ways, single zero is not there, then we will go with column wise single zero. So if you look here first, we have two zeros. Since we have 2 0, it is not preferable. Next row also we have 2. Next row, look. The third one, you have only one single zero. So raw wise single zero only preferable. The third row, if you look, you have only one single zero. So what, my dear friends, now you should be very clear in concept. Because after I done allocation, if you think how it is, not understood. That means while allocating, if you listen. So third row, only one single lane we allocate. So if we are allocating this, because single zero, all the corresponding rows and column will get dead. What is that? All the corresponding row and column is dead. So that means this will be dead, this will be dead, this will be dead. Because one job can be done for only one person. Otherwise, one person can be done by only one job. So all the corresponding will be dead. Now what is the next step? Again, we have to go for raw way single zero. See, here we have 2 0, we cannot. Here we have 2 0, we cannot. Here we have 2 0, we cannot. But look the second row. Look the second row. Second row, now we have only 1 0. Second row, we have only 1 0, so we have to. So if you allocate this, corresponding rows and column will be over. So this will be dead. This also will be dead. Now, first row, since this 0 is dead, now we have only 1 0 is left. What is our principle? Raw way single zero. Yes. So we will allocate. How interesting. So now what is next? Here we allocated. Now if you go for the fourth row, we have only single zero. See, look here, 10 0. We have only single zero. So we can take this. So this will be dead. Now last, if you go, there will be only one. See, my dear friends, if you are done proper way, you will get tallied. That means you can able to select it. If you are done error, you will get confused in the allocation. Means allocation will not go. So now what is the comment on this? Comment is very simple. See, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Monday will go for the fourth person, that is swap. Swap now, what is a person? 20. That is the fourth one. Now next we'll go for Tuesday, we'll go for dummy. The value of dummy is what? 0. The value of dummy is what? 0. Wednesday, what will come? Wednesday will go to the second person. Second thing, it is what? Portfolio management, which is also 20. What is Thursday? Thursday will go to the privately mutual fund. Thursday will go to the. So what you have to look at, Luna, for taking the value, you have to take the value from the question. For taking the value, you have to take the value from the question. So what will be the Thursday? Thursday we are allocating in the third one. So we will have 20 again. Last we have Friday. Friday it is leasing. See, already some of the friends are given the answer. So total is what? The minimum is 70. You can do any allocation. You won't get less than 70. This is the lower number. This is the method. So please copy fast. When we do the one more problem, you will get more clarity. When we do one more problem, you will get more clarity. See, now we will do one more problem. You will get more clarity. So hope you have completed. You can take a photo also. See, we will share the journal. When we share the journal, what you have to do now? You have to download the journal in your laptop. Then only you can view this file. You have to download the journal in your laptop. Then only you can view this file. So we will go for one more question for better clarity. Question number 10. Question number 10. You are given the following information about the cost of performing different job by different person. The job person making into, in this question, not last question it was not there, but here the into indicate individual cannot perform the job. See, look here. Here there are some area we have these induce. That means he cannot do the job. He cannot do. You have to eliminate him. So now, using the following information, what they were making, the optimal assignment of job, then what is the cost of assignment? I am here ready. Hope you are also ready. See, what is the criteria first? Any assignment problem, first the criteria is rows must be equal to column. Any assignment column, the first criteria is what? Row must be equal to column. Here, how many rows are there for? Your column is what? 5. So it is not getting tallied. If it is not getting tallied, what you do? We have to add one dummy. We have to add one dummy. Yes, we can start. So P1, P2, P3, P4, dummy. J1, J2, J5. So what will be the first thing? 27, 31. We know the value of dummy will be always 0. 18, 24, 17, This into means the job cannot be done. So this always will be into. This into will be always, even raw operation, column operation, there won't be no change. The job cannot be done. So now what we have to start? See the starting, my dear friends. It's very simple. See, first we have to do raw operation. Last question, there was additional dummy column, so we don't get raw operation. We went for directly column operation. But here we cannot have no excuse. We have to do the first step. What is the first step? Raw operation. Are you ready? What is raw operation? Just take column operation only. We have to identify the least number in the row. So in this column, what is the least number? 18 is the least number. So you have to detect from that board. So 27 minus 8. If I am not wrong, you will get 9. 0 into 2, 3. Like that for each row we have to. Here the least number is 12. So 12, we will have 31, 19 will be. Again you will have 12, 9, 0, 5. Next we will have what? Lower number is 16. So we will have 4, 3, 0, 1, 4, 0. The next lower number is what? 16. So 6, 12, 4, 0, 11. Dummy, there won't be no change. See, my dear friends, after the raw operation, next we want column operation. After the raw operation, next we want what? Column operation. But if you look in this question, already in all the raw or all the column, we have 0. See, in all the column we have 0 because of adding one additional dummy. No need of doing separate column operation because it will not have no changes. There will be no changes. So no separate column we don't want to add. So it will be same. So we go to the raw operation. Column operation not required. Why it is not required? It is not required because already there is a dummy in all the columns. So not one. So now what we have to do? We have to go for optimality test. Now what we have to do? We have to go for optimality test. So what is optimality test? We have to cross all the zeros with minimum number of lines. We have to cross all the zeros with minimum number of lines. So we are just crossing one line. Now we have 2 zeros are there. You cannot make it too complicated. So I have. See how you can do anyway, no problem. You can do vertically, horizontally, no problem. See, however we cross, we will take 4 lines. See, my dear friends, for your exam, you can cross like this also, no problem. The only thing it is what you have to cross all the zero. So if you cross all the zero, how many lines we took? 4 lines. So with the 4 lines, we have crossed all the zero. How many rows and column are there? If you look, rows and column are 5. The line we took 4, but rows and column are what? 5. That means it is not optimality not reached. So if optimality not reached, what we have to do? We have to go with improved matrix. We have to go with what? Improved matrix. Sir, how to go with improved matrix? Raw way single zero. That is uncovered cell, you have to identify the least. So uncovered 12, 9, 9, 5. The least number is 4. This 4 we have to deduct from all the numbers. Add in the intersection, balance whole area as it is. Balance whole area as it is. This is the balance area as it is. Here it is an intersection we have to add. Some of the friends are started giving answers. Very good. Yes. Now what we have to do? If you done the improved matrix, then we have to cross all the 0 with minimum number of. So here I crossed. See now, however we cross, we will take 5 lane. However you cross, you will take 5 lane. So if you take 5 lane, your rows and columns are 5. That means you have reached optimal. However you cross, you took 5 lane. So if your rows and columns are 5, that means you have reached the optimal. So if you reached optimality, what we have to do? We have to go for allocation. What is the principle of allocation? Raw way single 0. Yes, raw way single 0. This will be dead. Next, this is the raw way single 0. This will be dead. This will be the raw way single 0. This will be dead. This will be the raw way single 0. This will be dead. This will be. How interesting. Very easy. Now we can go for 1-1-1 allocation. That is P1 will go to what? P1 will go to J2. J2, what is the number? 8. P2 will go for J4. P2 will go for J4, which is 12. P3 will go for J3, if I am not wrong, 20. P4 will go to J1, 22. P5 is dummy. Dummy don't want to look into. So if you take the add, what is the total? Is it only 18, 12? Okay. There is a small correction. P3 will go to last number. What is the last number? Which is 16 only. P4 will go to the third one, which is 20. So the answer is 66. Some of the friends are already given the answer. So the answer is what? 66. See, for your exam, online MTP, they may ask P1 will go to where or P2 will go to there. Sometimes they will ask like that. So you should know this allocation. So if you know this allocation, if you know the amount, since one question they are asking multiple things, you can able to approach it. You can able to approach it. How interesting, my dears. Yes, so far we were done cost minimization. Now what we will do? Cost maximization. So far did cost minimization. Now we will do maximization. Maximization generally will come for profit and all. So we can go for question number 40. We'll go very fast. I know you are ready. I am also ready. Shall we start? A company has 4 zones open. 4 marketing managers are available. The zones are not in equal sales potential. It is estimated that a typical marketing manager operating in each zone would bring the following annual sales. So this is the annual sales they will bring. The 4 marketing managers are also different in ability. It is estimated that working under the condition, this will be the point. So there is a small balance printing in the question. Select the most mix to maximize the sales. So the question small missing is there. I'm just adding. So you have to select a proper allocation to maximize the sales. See, if you look here, it will be mentioned in the question itself. Look here, to maximize. So the question itself will tell maximize. Profit, sales, and all will come maximize. So the question here it is printing error, so maximize. So we have to maximize. So my dear friends, for your benefit, we are discussing now maximization also. My dear friends, for your benefit, we are discussing maximization also. So if you want to do maximization, see what we are doing, this assignment is called Hungarian method. This Hungarian method, we have only minimization. So how we will do maximization? Simple step. First, we have to convert this entire thing into a matrix. This is a data. We have to make it into a matrix. So I am here ready for you. We can start the session. So here, what was the case? We have east is there. We have west is there. We have north is there. We have south is there. Manager M, manager N, manager O, manager P. So we have to allocate. So how we will allocate? 2,40,000 into the ratio is 8 divided by the total is what? 8 by 24. So listen very well how we are bringing the number. So for easy purpose, we will take the number later. We will just make 240. We will just eliminate 3 decimal for calculation purpose. So 240 into 8 by 24. What you will get? 18. Again the same thing only. 240 into next ratio is 7 by 24. 70. 50, 40. Coming here, what will come? Here 1,92,000 into 8 by 24. The same ratio we have to add. So last question the ratio was given, but here we are finding the table matrix 64. Any doubt, please ask. 192 by 7 by 24. See? Now what we have to do next? 144 into 144 into what will be the south? What is the south number? Who will help me? 40, 35, 25, 20. Now everyone listen. First, you have to look into rows are equal to column. Otherwise, you have to bring dummy. First, you have to look into what rows are equal to column. Otherwise, you have to bring dummy. See, look here, 4 rows, 4 column. Since here 4 rows, 4 column, it is equal. No need of bringing dummy. So this matrix we call profit matrix. This matrix we call profit matrix or sales matrix. Profit matrix or sales matrix. Now what we have to do? If you want to do maximization problem, this question is a case of maximization. Look here, maximization. So we are discussing for your benefit how to approach maximization problem. So if it is a maximization problem, first step we have to find out, we have to make it a loss matrix. You have to go for a loss matrix. Any correction here? Please tell me any correction. Is this number are correct? So, loss matrix. Thank you, my dears. Thank you. So, loss matrix we have to find. What is loss matrix? See, loss matrix, the concept we can do only minimization. So, we are bringing the profit into loss. So, loss matrix is nothing but each number we have to reduce from the highest number. Which is the highest number? See, not only single thing, entire 16 number, we have 16 number. Among the 16 number, which is the highest? Among the 16 number, the highest is what? Come on. Yes, you are correct. The highest is what? 80. Highest is what? 80. That 80 we have to detect. So we are detecting. Now this we have to do in all the case. That we have to do in all the case. So what will be the number? So 80 minus 80. 80 minus this number. 0. The same thing we have to do for all the case. This has to be done this way also. This is what is called what? Loss matrix. This is what is called what? Loss matrix. Now from this loss matrix, what we have to do? Same our normal step. First we have to do raw operation. Then we have to do column operation. So first we have to do what? Raw operation. What is raw operation? Raw ways least number we have to reduce. So here the raw ways least number is what? 0 only. So you will get the same. Here the lowest least number is 10. See, look. How interesting. Since I am doing Excel, I will be little fast, but hope you are coming in. So, this loss matrix is nothing but the high from this table. We have to identify the highest number. Highest number is 80. We have to reduce that 80 from over the. So this number is very simple. We are reducing from 80. So once we did raw operation, next what we have to do? We have to do column operation. What is column operation? The same thing. We have to identify column wise the least number. What is column-wise least number? See, if you look this data, column-wise least number is what? First case 0. So we can put 0. Next case, column-wise least number is what? 8. Next case, column-wise least number is what? 8. So what you have to do? 16 minus, this is the number, minus 8. How you identify 8? Look here, the lower number is 8 only. So this we have to reduce all. Now here it is what? 32. We have to minus the lower number. Lower number is 16. So 32 minus 16. Here we have 40 minus 20. See how interesting. So we got raw operation. We got column operation. We got raw operation. We got column operation. Now what we have to do? We have to go with optimality test. We got raw operation. We got column operation. Now what we have to do? Column operation. So let me 1 second. I will just check whether the calculation is correct. When you rely on Excel, sometimes there will be some error. Yes. What we have to do, my dear friends, now? Optimality test. Now what we have to do? Optimality test. So how can we do optimality test? The optimality test is very easy. We have to cross all these zeros. So look here. Two lines we have crossed. So what we have to do? We have to go for an improved matrix. We have to go for an improved matrix. So how we will go for an improved matrix? The lower number is 2, that we have to start 0, 6, 14, 18, 0, 4, 10, 30, 0, 0, 2, 3. See, the last one is a intersection. What we have to do intersection? Intersection we have to add. So we have to add it to 0, 0. Now what we have to do? Again the same step, that is optimality test. Again the same step, we have to go for optimality step. If you go here, rows and column we have 4, but we have crossed all the 0 with 3. So what we have to do? Again we have to go with what? Improved matrix. So what is the improved matrix? Now the lower number is 4. Now the lower number is 4. So 0, 2, 10, 14. 0, 0. We have 6, 9. This is the intersection we have to add. So which will be 4. So we got the improved matrix. Now after the improved matrix, what we have to do? You are correct. Improved matrix, we have to do the allocation. So how the allocation will come? We have the data. Now still we have done it what? 3 lane. So again we have to go for what? Improved matrix. So how the improved matrix will come? Now the lower number is 2. So what we have to do? 0, 2, we will have 12, 0, 0, 4, 7, 6, 8. Here we'll have what? 2, 0, 0. So now what we have to do? We have to do the allocation, that is optimality test. See, however we cross, we took 4 line. However we cross, we took 4 line. Since we took 4 line, we have to go for what? Allocation. What is the principle of allocation? Raw way single zero. Raw way single zero. So here we have single zero. Here we have single zero. Here we have single zero. How interesting. Now the main thing what you have to do now, you have to took for value not from the loss matrix. The value you have to take from our first matrix. This is students mostly will make mistake. No, you have to take from the first matrix. So what will be the case will come? First M, it will come. M, what is the allocation we have made? Okay, there is a small technical error came. So already we discussed the answer. Please tell me what will be the allocation. M, what we have selected. There is a small technical correction. So M, what we have selected, tell me. M, we have selected what? M, which allocation? M will go for east. M will go for east. What will be the amount? M will go for east. What will be the amount? 80. Next, N will go to what? N will go for west. The amount is 56. Next, O will go for what? North. The amount is what? 30 R. P will go for south. The amount will be 20. So what is the total will come? See, look here. 80 plus 56 plus 30 plus 20. See, we have already taken the round. So what will come? The total profit will be. The total profit will be lakh and 86 into 1000. So which will come lakh and 86. The reason is what? See, for taking all the number, we have reduced the number. It was 80,000 we made for column wise easy thing. So the answer will be lakh and 86. Some of the friends very early got. Some of the friends very early got. Congrats. Some of the friends very early get. So this is not profit. This is sales. I made it. It's just made it. It is total sales. It is total sales. That's it. Very interesting. Now with this concept, you can do most of the remaining question. So you can do yourself. With this concept, you can do the remaining concept. Now we will go for another one interesting topic called LPP. So what I will do now, some of the friends requesting some break and all. So LPP we will start only few seconds break because we have already given one started late. So we will start by 8:15 for 5 minutes. We will have break. So we will resume by very important. This how it will come for your online also as well. So we will resume by 8:15. We will resume by 8:15. Okay. So this actually there is a printing error. Whatever we have taken, there is some load issue. The entire answer will do wrong. So if you want, I will show you this answer also. If you want, I will show you the answer. We will go for improved matrix. Improved matrix to 0 to 8 sorry 0 0 4 7 4 0 0. See, however we take, we will have the allocation. So I have drawn again for your benefit. Okay. Copy first. Yes, welcome back. So we'll continue the point. So as we were discussing, we will resume with LPP. Very interesting. But now these are all the area. The way they ask the online exam is very less. Anyway, today evening I will share you the question pattern also. Because LPP descriptive model only they want to make an ask. Because you have only formulation. You don't have no solution. So there is some limitation for your institute to ask the question of LPP. Because of the reason, what we will do now, we will discuss not in detail, more some and all. We will discuss accordingly. Okay. So one of the easy area only LPP. See, LPP, maybe in your 12th, some of the friends already studied if they are in CBSE syllabus. It will have mainly 4 parts. The first one it is assumption. First one will be the assumption. Let X1 is the unit, X2 is the unit 10. Second one it is objective. Objective can be 2 types, either maximization or minimization. So maximization of Z. Or it can be minimization. So we will write what? Minimization. So first one it is assumption. Second one it is objective. Third one it is constraint. It will have subject to constraint. So the constraint will be. Last one, the fourth one, non-negativity ingredient. That means the output cannot be less than 0. So that will be non-negative. So assumption, objective, constraint, non-negativity. That is the 4 area we have to do. So I know you have already know the entire concept. So we will start the problem for you. You will get more clarity. When we do the problem, we will get more clarity. I am here ready. I know you are also ready to start. So a chemical company produces 2 compounds A and B. The following tables gives you the unit ingredient, the C and D per kg of compound A and B, as well as the minimum requirement of C and D. State the mathematical formula. So they're asking the minimum requirement. So it is a case of what? Minimization. It is a case of what? Minimization. So we will start. Let X1 is the unit of A, X2 is the unit of B. The objective here it is what? Minimization. So what we have to do? Minimize Z equal to. The cost only. So what is the cost? Cost is given 4 and 6. The cost is given here 4 and 6. So what will come? 4x1 plus 6x2. Subject to non-negativity conditions, which is here ingredient C and ingredient D. Ingredient C and ingredient D. What is ingredient C? Ingredient C is what? X1 plus 2x2. Here they were telling minimum. That means you should use minimum. So you have to make greater than or equal to. You have to make greater than or equal to what? 80. So next is what? You have 3. So 3. Wherever comes the first component, we have to use x1 plus. Next is what? 1. 1 means simply x2. Here also minimum. So what is the minimum? Which is 75. So only 2 constraints. So x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. How interesting. So what I am telling now, see this concept only formulation is there. So descriptive model, if they want to test, they will test you. Anyway, today evening, we will have a separate session for online MTP. Today evening, we will have separate session of online MTP. So we will tell how the questions are testing for your online MTP. So, but now itself, I am telling you, for your exam, descriptive model only they can ask the LPP. Direct method, they cannot ask. Maybe they will ask, but that is limitations are there. So you can copy fast. Come on. Very easy area. Please copy fast. So now we will move to another question. All the questions are easy. We will move to 27. So because of your pattern is online pattern, I have brought only lesser question in LPP. I have brought only lesser question in LPP. So the four products are there. Three products, PQR, profit is 354. So here the case is profit. Profit now our objective will be maximization. The raw material ABC are scarce supply. The availability is limited to. Limited means you won't get beyond this. Specific consumption details are given. Write out the mathematically for maximizing the profit. So we will start. So the products are what? PQR. So how we have to start? Let X1 is the unit of P. X2 is the unit of Q. X3 is the unit of R. X1 is the unit of P. X2 is the unit of Q. X3 is the unit of R. So what is our objective? We have to maximize. So the point will come. Maximize Z equal. Maximize Z equal to. What will come? Our profit is 3. So 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 subject to what all the condition? First A, which have 2x1 plus 3x2 plus. Next one you can do either 0x3 or you can put still. Here you should have availability is limited to. Limited to now you have to make less than or equal to 8. What is next? Next is 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 less than or equal to 50. Next is first product is nothing else. 2x2 plus 5x3 less than or equal to 10. Last non-negativity ingredients x1 comma x2 comma x3 greater than or equal to 0. So you can copy fast, my dears. See now those who completed, try to do yourself 28. Those who completed, try to do yourself 28. See what is the difference between 28? 27, same model, but 27 they given table and it is easy to solve. 28 they given in para. So what you have to do? Para, please convert into table. It will be easy. So those who completed, please do 28. Copy fast.
Quarter over, sir.
So hope you have completed. So we will move to next question. What is that? Question number 28. See, my dear friends, I have already told, please make it into table first. Please make it into table. So I am here ready for you. We can start. See, first we have to make it into table. Then only it will be very easy to solve. Otherwise, we will make mistake. So what is a table? A company produces 3 products, PQR. So 3 product, PQR. Then it is having 3 raw material. That is A, B, C. 1 unit of P require 2 unit of A and 3 unit of P. 2 unit of A and 3 unit of B. 1 unit of Q require 2 unit of B and 5 unit of C. See, look here, like that you should understand. Next, 1 unit of R require 3 unit of A, 2 unit of B, and 4 unit of C. See, look. Next, the company has 8 unit of material A. So the availability. Availability, we have what? 8 unit of A. And B, we have what? 10 unit of B. And C, we have 15 unit. The profit also mentioned. So what is the profit, my dears? 354. So how will be? So this is we have to do for all the question. Without table, please don't start. Without table, please don't start because you will get confused. So what we will make? Let x1 is the unit of P. Q. X3 is the unit of R. Our objective is profit, so we have to maximize. So maximize Z equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3. Subject to. What is subject to? 2x1 plus 0x2 plus 3x3 less than or equal to 8. 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 less than or equal to 10. 0x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 less than or equal to 15. x1 comma x2 comma x3 greater than or equal to. How easy? Copy fast. I know you are completed. We will go for next topic. We will go for not next topic. One more problem we will. Okay, we will move with this question. These are all similar questions. Question number 25. We will move with question number 25. So hope you have completed the last question because I have already told. So if anyone pending, you can just take your phone. If anyone pending, you can just take your phone. Okay. So now we will move with 25. What is 25? Very interesting. A pension fund manager is considering investment in 2 shares. Our study material question only A and B. The share of A will earn a dividend of 12% per annum, B a 4% per annum. Growth in the market value of 1 year will be 10 paisa per 1 rupee invested, 40 paisa per 1 rupee invested. He requires the investment in minimum total sum which will give dividend income at least 600 per annum. Growth is what? 1000. You are required to find out mathematical formulation. This you cannot do. That we don't want in our syllabus. So we can start. So minimum sum. Here it is minimum. So what we will start? The question number is what? 25. So let X1 is the amount of investment in year. Here it is the amount only, not unit and all. The amount of X2 is the amount of investment in year. Your objective is minimize. So minimize Z equal to X1 plus X2. Subject to. What are all the conditions, my dears? See the dividend you should get 12%. In formula you cannot make it percentage. You have to make it in fraction. So it will come what? 0.12 X1 plus 0.4, 0.04 X2. We have to make greater than or equal to. You should get at least 600. Next what will come? 10 paisa per 1. So what it will come? 10 paisa per 1 will be 0.1 X1 plus 40 paisa per rupee 0.4 X2 greater than or equal to 1000. X1 comma X2 greater than or equal to answer. X1 comma X2 greater than or equal to 0. Answer. Copy fast. So hope you have completed. So now what we will do now, this is one small concept we will do, that is converting primal into dual. Converting primal into dual, we will do that small concept. Question number 26. If the primal LLP, that is what maximization we have to bring into minimization. Minimization we are bringing into maximization. So first I will write the question. What is a primal? Maximize Z equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 subject to 2x1 plus 3x2. There is no x3, so I will just make 0x3 less than or equal to 10. What is next? I'm just writing the question. 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 less than or equal to 10. Then 0x1, 5x2, 4x3 less than or equal to 15. x1 comma x2 comma x3 greater than or equal to 0. So what is dual means? Just to opposite. So what we have to do now, we will go vertical way. This will be like this. We have to approach this way. So this whatever this will come ulta. So you have maximization here. It will come minimization of z. See, already x1 we have used. So we will use y. 8, 10, 15. So 8y1 plus. What is next? After the 8, next is what? 10y2 plus. Next is what? 15y3. So just to opposite. Subject to. This is the condition. 2y1 plus 3y2 plus 0y3. Here you have max. So greater than or equal to this number will come 3. Next will come what? 3y1 plus. Just that for the reversal we have to apply. That's all. 2y2 plus 5y3 greater than or equal to 5. 0y1 plus 2y2 plus 4y3 greater than or equal to 4. y1 comma y2 comma y3 greater than or equal to. Copy fast. So that's all. We have done dual also. But online question, the level of testing will be very limited. Now, another one area called networking. See, in your online pattern, networking and all, they cannot ask. Because draw the network question generally for inter-level. For final level, they were asking lot of other concepts. But inter-level, generally, so far, they were asking drawing the network control. So for the purpose of as per our new pattern, I am not discussing any question of drawing the network. So what question they will ask? So in the regular class, we have discussed in detail. You can revise those classes. So in the evening, I will tell strategy. So what we want to discuss here it is, they will ask critical path and project duration. So that we will discuss. They will ask critical path and project duration. So 1 or 2 questions we will discuss that. Drawing and all, they may not going to ask because in direct you cannot draw. In descriptive also typing only they will ask. They won't ask anything related to drawing. Our institute president and vice president already announced that. So we will start first. So for doing the critical path and project duration, we should have the drawing. So first we will draw the drawing. Question number 30. So what is question number 33? So what I am telling now, we are discussing as per the new question pattern only. I am not discussing the entire thing what we have discussed in our class. So first one 0 to 1. First one it is called. Next will come 1 to 2, 1 to 3. 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Next is what? 2 to 4, 3 to 4. 3 to 4, 2 to 4. 2 to 5, 3 to 6. 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7. 4 to 7, 6 to 7, 5 to 7. So 0 to 1, 2 days. 1 to 2, 8 days. 1 to 3, 10 days. 2 to 4, we have 6 days. 2 to 5, we have 3 days. 3 to 4, we have 3 days. 3 to 6, we have 7 days. 4 to 7, we have 5 days. 5 to 7, we have 2 days. 6 to 7, we have 8 days. So two things they may test you. Something they will ask critical path. So how to find out critical path? So for the benefit of everyone, we will discuss what is critical path. Critical path is the distance from starting to end. The maximum duration only the critical path. So starting to ending. So in order to cover everything, we will follow a format, top-down approach. We will follow a format called top-down approach. So how it will be? 0 to there is no shortcut. You have to draw the network. Your online exam, without drawing the network, it will not work out. There is no shortcut. You have to draw the network. Hurry, you are getting 6 marks. Why you want to have it? 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7. So we are doing a top-down approach, 0 to 1 like that. Top-down approach we are going. So 8, 10, 10 plus 13, you will have 15 days. What is next? 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 7. So what will come? 2 to 0 to 1, we will have 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 5, we will have what? 21 days. Next day, 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 7. So what will come? 2 plus 10, we will have 12. 12 plus 3, we will have 15. 15 plus 5, we will have 20 days. 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 7. 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 7. What will be the days? 2 plus 10, we will have 12. 12 plus 7, 19, 27 days. So which is the highest days? Highest days, you are correct, my dears. Which is what? 27 days. Highest is what? 27 days. So this will be the critical path we can develop. So what is the project duration? 27 days. Project duration is what? 27 days. How interesting. So this is how we have to approach. Copy fast. So drawing and all will not come for your question. Drawing and all will not come for your exam. Only the path they will ask. They will give the choice. 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 7. There will be one choice. Then like that another one. So we have to select the correct one. So we have to do this thing, then only we will get it. Okay.
Sir,
so
transportation online level chance irukka sir?
அது ரொம்ப கம்மி தான், அவ்வளவு வராது. So அதை நான் எடுக்கவே இல்லையே. Transportation still now we are not taking. So today evening after I will show you the online MTP question pattern. Then we will tell the strategy today. See, typically telling we can able to get maximum mark for your exam, because since the exams are online, the pattern of asking the question entirely will be easy for you in this paper. And no one can reduce your mark. So this 34, see, we cannot do total float, free float, and all the table descriptive and all. We are not going to ask it. So what we will do now, we will just find it. But anyway, we have discussed in detail in your regular class. Please review. That is best for you. But since it is a rapid revision for online exam, we are discussing to the point for online exam. So this is the drawing, just to find out the critical path. Who will help me? So it will be different routes are there. 1 to 2, 2 to 5, which will be 8 plus 10, we will have 18. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. 8 plus 10, 10 plus 13. 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Which will have 4 plus 5, we will have 9. 9 plus 3, we will have 12. So already some of the friends scored the answer. 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 18 days. That is a critical part. Now, we will approach a PERT program. PERT stands for what? Program Evaluation Review Techniques. PERT stands for what? Program Evaluation Review Technique. So what is this entire PERT stands for? This entire PERT means very simple concept. This entire PERT means very simple concept which discuss about the time is not, you cannot be able to ascertain. The time even you are not able to ascertain, you spend. So they convert the time into three parts. Convert the time into three parts. That is pessimistic time, optimistic time, and most likely. Pessimistic time is negative minded. If you want to complete revision, how many days? Sir, 60 days. If you want to positive, optimistic now, sir, 10 days. What is most likely going to happen? That is 30 days. So, for any activities to be completed, there will be three chances. One will be pessimistic, another one is optimistic, and another one is most likely. So, the time expected will be a weighted average method. The time expected will be a weighted average method. So, by applying this, maybe project duration they may ask. So, how it will be find out? 60. The pessimistic we will have weight 1. Most likely we will have weight 4. Optimistic we will have weight 1. So, how it will be that? 60 plus 30 into 4 plus 10 whole divided by 6. 60 plus 30 into 4 plus 10 whole divided by 6. So what will come? 30 into 4 we will have 120. 120 plus 60 we will have 180. 190 by 6. This will be the time. What will be the answer? Who will help me? $31.66 days. So the most happening is what? So this is how we have to approach. So by approaching this, you have to solve. So there is one more concept. Sometime they will ask variance. One more concept there is sometime will ask variance. That is, this is final level only, very important. Your inter level they were asking only draw the network. But we are discussed in detail in our regular class. So they were asked only draw the network. Now in the online pattern, draw the network chances are very less. So variance is what? Pessimistic minus optimistic divided by 6 whole square. This variance is for the purpose of finding the risk or standard deviation that we will discuss in detail in your final. So TP minus TO, that is pessimistic minus optimistic, divided by 6 whole square. So this is how you have to find out the time expected. So once you find out the time expected, this is the drawing. You want to put the time expected what you are getting. Then you have to draw the network. So what will be the duration of that? That will be the expected. So for your benefit, I will just discuss 35 so that you will get more clarity also. So how can we approach 35? We have activity 1 to 2. 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 6. So now we will start. Formula is with you. So what will be the time expected? Formula is with you. I am here before you. So we can start. You will have 2 plus. Most likely we have a weight of what? Most likely we have a weight of 4. So 2 into 4 plus 14. This whole divided by weight of 6. This is what we have. Next is what? 2 plus 8 into 4 plus 14 divided by 6. Like this we have to find. How to find out variance? Variance already we told the formula, which is your P of, that is 14 minus 2 divided by 6. This we have to make the square. So, like that you have to find out. One more I will help you. 4 plus 4 into 4 plus see, here you will have 14, here you will have same 4. You will have same. See how interesting. So this is how we have to approach. I have already found half of the number for you. Remaining you can do. So these days will be applied in the network. These days will be applied in the network. So accordingly, you will find out what these days will be applied in the network. Accordingly, you will find out what. Yes, you are correct. Accordingly, we find out the. Accordingly, we find out the expected duration. Accordingly, we find out the expected duration. So you can be able to make it. So what we will do now, today evening session, we will discuss your online MTP question pattern also. So that your confidence will boost how the question is testing on this networking, transportation. Okay. So you can do this question yourself. So I brought little more question just for to ensure that it's all drawing. This was the question asking earlier. But nowadays, for your online MTP, they cannot ask the things. In your regular class, we were discussed the parity, crashing, we have discussed it. So you can just have a revision of all those concepts. In the evening, I will tell you how to approach the networking and transportation. See, because there are a lot of other areas in our operational management. So they may not want to focus on these areas. But however, in the evening session, I will tell you how to approach. But it's our valuable 6 months. We don't want to take any risk. In the rapid revision session, since it is as per the new pattern, not that much relevant, we are not discussing. But what you have to do is what? You have got your regular classes. So if you whatever the regular class you got, you just revise those classes. Okay. So that is benefit for you. So what we will do now, in the evening session, we will discuss rest of the portions in operational management. See, earliest start time, latest finish time. That they cannot ask. Some friends are asking, see how they will ask. That is a problem. Drawing is not there now. In the regular class, we have did all the problem. So that is what the entire pattern is changed. So entire pattern is changed. So what I will do now, rest of the portion, every topic, even a small topic we will discuss. So rest of the topic we will discuss in the morning. So we were going very, because your online pattern made your entire OPM paper very simple. Your online pattern made your entire OPM paper very simple. So what we will do now, we will discuss in the evening. So what I will do now, evening session, I will tell you how they are testing for online for networking area. Some friends are asking whether they will ask for one activity, what is a EST, what is a LFT. Don't worry, everything we will discuss in the evening, how it will be making. Okay. So in the evening, we will give you a better idea about how to approach the entire time. Because most of the area in operational management we have covered. Now only few areas left, queuing, scheduling. Then we have left is what, forecasting. Forecasting is important for your exam. So those areas we will discuss in the evening session. Okay. So hope to meet you all in the evening. Definitely we will give the important area of theory in OPM. We will give you important area of theory in OPM also. Don't worry. We are here for you. So we will give you everything. Yes. Maintenance topic also we will discuss in the evening. Maintenance topic also we will discuss in the evening. So hope to meet you all in the evening. Evening time I will share. Yesterday Excel I have already shared. Excel share already shared. Morning I am not shared. This morning actually it is in my another one app. I have to check in this lab. Laptop is interchanged. So another one laptop only I have used the morning session. So I will update it. I will share it. Don't worry. Okay. YouTube regularly is updating. You have to go and watch in YouTube. We have already regularly updating in our YouTube page. So you have to subscribe. Some friends are asking YouTube. Yes, we are uploading in YouTube. You have to subscribe the page. Then you have to go to the playlist. Then only you can able to see the video. If you are not subscribed, you are not able to view the video. So that is maybe the correction they have made. Okay. So what we will do now, evening we will discuss the rest of the topic. We will discuss the important theory also. Okay. So your online pattern may very scoring paper. So we'll meet you in the ask it. We are happy to help you. Any specific question if you have, you can ask it. We are happy to. Evening I will update. Mostly it will be little early, so that we can finish more specific. Mostly like that it will be little early. Okay. We will start little early. I will update it. Because yesterday though we kept to 5 o'clock, most of the friends joined. So mostly today also we will keep 5 o'clock. I will update the timing. Okay. So any other doubt? Okay, let's see what any other doubt is pending. Welcome. Please share. I think video already shared in the YouTube. If not uploaded in YouTube, I will check media. Don't worry. In assignment problem, can we do it merely by inspection? Manik, I don't understood what you are asking. You don't understood what you are asking. Can you elaborate? Okay. Priya is asking the network. Priya, please. I will share the screen. Okay, please copy. Yeah. Oh, no. See, that is a very rarely. If it is easy question, it will be useful. Manik was telling, can we do my inspection? If that inspection, if it is there, then why this model at all? Very rarely we will get it. If it is easy question, we will get by inspection. But don't take any risk. Do proper way. Don't take any risk. Do proper way. Okay, if it is not uploaded in YouTube, I will check it manually. Because admin end only they were doing crashing. See, crashing, what we discussed in the regular class is enough. You can revise that. Online MTP pattern and all crashing asking is very less. So, any other question, my dears? So, looks, we have replied all questions. Timing, I will update it. I have to. Mostly, I wish to start by 5 only. But my office work, other things, I will update and I will update it. I will inform before 1. Mostly it will be 5 p.m. only. Mostly it will be 5 p.m. only. Okay. Yes, it's important chapters, everything I will tell at the evening session. Evening session. A lot of friends already left. So I will tell you in the evening. Okay. So hope your studies are going well. With your permission, we are winding up the session. Okay. Any other doubt, please ask. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all your wishes. Thank you for all your wishes. Anything else? Okay. Okay. So we will wind up. We will discuss the online MTP in the evening session after finishing the topic. Okay. So wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.